Hello and welcome to the Sunday Blog, the loosey-goosey video of the week where I show you bits and pieces of my life through very, very random clips. Enjoy. We out here at the Maddox house, US. It's time to put up the tree. It's November. You know what I'm saying? We getting down. Over here we do a gangster tree. I don't know why I'm doing this voice. It's a Yuletide. It's gonna be a good Christmas, you guys. It's gonna be a good Christmas. As I'm pulling these like branches out, I feel very like Sunday floor. I shouldn't do that voice. I'm feeling Miyagi about messing with this tree. It's very relaxing. Okay, welcome to my Christmas tree tutorial. You gotta pull, you know what I'm saying? You gotta put this one like that. And then you gotta put like this one right here. You gotta put this one like that. And then you're gonna go more to the back, to the center, and you just go put this one like that. That's my tutorial of how to a Christmas tree. I don't know if there's any of you that are like saber enthusiasts here, but is this like a Profi connection here? Is this a in-blade? String light Profi board. No, that's not the right terms. Is this a NeoPixel Christmas tree blade? I mean, this is just, it doesn't have a soundboard, so it's just NeoPixel. I think that's NeoPixel, I think, right there. Is that how this works? I think this is a stunt. I think this is a stunt tree. I don't think it has a soundboard. I think this is just a stunt tree for dueling, a stunt Christmas tree if you want to duel with it. I don't know how you would do that. And here's this fluff ball of a person. You thought I was gonna say tree. Here's the fluff ball of a tree next to a fluff ball of a person doing a little bit of a dance now that the tree is up and lit, ready for decoration. It's fun. Target, we're trying to get a tree topper for the tree. You can get some unlit ones here, as you see. You can get unlit ones, and you can get ones that are lit, fam. What? These are lit, fam. These are lit ones. Am I right? Getting in the festive mood here, and if you'll remember the jack-o'-lantern, is now Santa Lamp Claus.
Oh, jeez.
Santa Lamp Claus. I don't know the name yet. I'm still thinking about it. The Terry section lit. Now there's a very annoying thing going on in the fall of Animal Crossing, and you have to shake these trees to get certain sort of rarer resources like acorns and pine cones. I'm currently trying to get an acorn, and look how like much work and button mashing it takes to get one acorn, while in real life it's a little more like this. Where'd all these fucking acorns come from? Seriously, is someone gonna do something about this? It's Snack Corner, the place where we find snacks we might like, or you just watch me put things in my mouth. So I got these Buffalo Ranch popcorn. I got Buffalo Ranch popcorn. I don't know where I was going with that sentence. The ranch, you know, the ranch tastes like ranch, but the buffalo, though, got that little bit of kick of spiciness to it. Oh, so good. It was good. How's everyone's mask game going? I got a bunch of custom masks. Actually, some that I'm going to work on the channel in the next coming weeks. But, like, check this out. I got this one here. Oh, the band's long, so then I could do this with my mask ponytail. Oh. I like these because they're sort of like surgeon masks, and then you don't really have to touch them when you take them off. You could just sort of, you know, get that top loop and rip them down like you've just lost a patient to a pericardial centesis. I like that. I came across this and I was like, damn, Isabelle, savage. Tell us how you really feel, Isabelle. Jesus. Savagery. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing!